Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the KitchenAid dishwasher small item basket. It's going to be a very easy repair, and it's only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new small item basket. The small item basket is where you put your smaller items in the dish rack. The main reason to be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to get to the part, we have to open up the dishwasher door. Now that we have the door open, we can pull out the lower rack. Then we can pull the small item basket off the rack. All you have to do is unclip it and pull it off. Here's the old small item basket next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new small item basket on, all you have to do is line it up and snap it onto the rack. Once you have it in place, you can push the lower dish rack back in. Once you have the rack back in, we can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.